Have you heard of the money fish? Have you heard of him?
No?
Have you? Wake up!
Money?
Have you heard of the money fish?
Money? No.
Well, you have the way to catch it is you have to get all your money, your bank details, your credit details, all of that in your one thing. To catch the money fish in your, it's all right here, all my money. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna try and do it.
Just gonna go for a swim. Money!
No, my money. It's not going out. No, 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 no. Let me out. No.